Welcome to the KitchenAid studio and come celebrate 100 years of KitchenAid with me. Now, isn't that really cool that I can make my own ice cream or a sorbet or any frozen dessert right in my kitchen just like this? How does that happen? Now, we have this chilled frozen bowl which you actually have to pre-freeze for about 15 hours or overnight. And then this actually has a double-walled bowl into which there is a liquid which actually freezes. So literally, I've made a base of an ice cream. One of my favorites is a masala chai ki ice cream. Masala chai के साथ आप क्या खाते हो? आप biscuit खाते हो. तो I am making actually a masala chai and biscuit ice cream. Let's start freezing. तो अब speed 4 पे मैंने घुमा ली है and I'm going to be pouring this mixture into it. And then I'm adding a little bit of honey. So this is actually a honey and masala chai ice cream with biscuits. Putting my biscuits as well inside here. Okay. The best part about this is that अगर आप चाहो आप softy ice cream बना सकते हो. You can make a semi softy or you can make a rock hard ice cream or a sorbet. So मैंने सोचा why don't I make a really nice softy ice cream और उसे directly मैं यहाँ से खा लेता हूँ. So the ice cream is just about to set and you know what? There's nothing like eating ice cream not straight out of the bowl but straight out of the ice cream machine. Buon appetito! Yummy.